Today I'm going to show you how to make pineapple fried rice. The Asian way is very famous in Asian. So here is my ingredient. The first main thing is rice. I have one bowl of rice. It's white rice. The rice I want to mention is the rice is very good for pineapple rice. Is the day you cook one day before, or you cook rice and then you cool it down and put in the fridge. So the rice have to separate it, not sticking together, so that is when you fry it won't be so messy and very sticky together. So here is my pineapple. And the pineapple is important to choose not very green and also not very too ripe. It's too ripe when you cook it's very soggy and watering. So here I cut split like that, and I make the hole. This is to fill the rice when it finished done. So I have a fruit is 1/3 cup of pineapple that I cut into the cube pieces here. And move on to my veggie here, and I have 1/3 cup of chopped up onion, 1/3 cup of chopped cube pieces, cube like this, carrot, and 1/3 cup of cube and cut into the cube of red and yellow pepper, and 1 sausage that I chop up in the cube pieces like this. The sausage you can replace with ham or with dry bacon. It's very yummy. So I use what I got in my pantry. And move on to my prawn. I have around 8 prawn. If you don't have, you no need to use it. You can use chicken, beef or pork, whatever you like. And because I have prawn, so I'm going to use it. And I have 1/3 cup of roasted cashew nut, and 1 tablespoon of golden mountain brine, and they call seasoning sauce. This is a light soya sauce, but a bit more salty than normal light soya sauce. And I have 1 tablespoon of chopped up coriander to sprinkle at the end. And I have curry powder. You can use any kind of curry powder you like. And I have 1 teaspoon of curry powder. And at the end I have 2 eggs. If you don't like much egg, you can go without egg, or you just put 1. But I like egg. I'm going to 2 eggs. So now move on to cooking. Now is cooking time. I have a wok and I turn on high heat, and now I'm going to add around 3 tablespoons of cooking oil into my wok and let it like around 30 seconds to let the oil a bit hot. My chopped onion. So my onion been cooked with the oil around 1 minute. Now I'm going to add my carrot, my all chopped up here, carrot and pepper and also sausage. You also stir fry like 30 seconds. So, and then I'm going to add my prawn. Prawn doesn't need to cook long, maybe a couple of minutes. So now my prawn starting turning color from white to starting to red. Now I'm going to scramble my egg. So just break the egg and put into my wok. So I scramble the egg. So now I scramble my egg, so I'm going to stir in my whiskey bowl like that together. Mix with my scrambled egg really well. Now I'm going to add my rice, my cold rice into here. And I'm going to use another one more frying to do like this, so that can mix really well. I'm going to add my seasoning sauce. And I'm going to sprinkle my curry powder on top of my rice. And I am going to do a good mix like this. Very beautiful color and very good smell coming. This is how. And then is the pineapple I'm going to add. The pineapple doesn't need to cook long, maybe just 30 seconds to 1 minute. Like that. And I'm going to turn off my head. And at the end, I'm put half cashew nut into my rice, and I leave some to garnish at the end. And at the end, I'm going to put my chopped coriander into my rice and mix it well like this. So very much is done. So here is my pineapple fried rice. So here I've been leave some cashew nut. So I'm going to gargle to put on top of my fried rice and put here to have a great egg. Very nice look. And this is have 1 tablespoon of fried onion. You don't have to put, but I like it like crispy and give more extra taste. So I'm going to put on top like that. When I want to eat, just sprinkle it like this. So that look yummy and very delicious. So here is my pineapple fried rice. So I hope you guys enjoy my video, and this is very easy and simple to make it, and hope to see you again soon. Bye.